Let me tell you something wild that just happened. Canada made a deal with China, and now Canadians can buy Chinese electric cars for cheap. Like, really cheap. While Americans are stuck paying $80,000 for a basic Tesla, Canadians are getting cars with 700 horsepower, massage seats, and tech that looks like it came from the year 2050. It is May 2026, and the automotive landscape has shifted beneath our feet. We are witnessing a moment where the border between the United States and Canada represents more than just geography. It represents a massive gap in technological access. Starting our list at number 5, the Zeekr 001. The 2026 version has just debuted, and the specifications are frankly staggering to anyone following the industry. The top-tier variant delivers over 1,000 horsepower, propelling the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 2 seconds. That level of performance rivals most elite supercars, yet the base model starts at roughly $37,000 in China. In the United States, that same investment typically buys a standard crossover with a plastic-heavy interior. Meanwhile, our neighbors to the north are seeing supercar performance for the price of a regular family sedan. The exterior features sharp light-emitting diode lights, termed claws, that perform intricate animations as you approach. The doors are frameless and fully automatic. They open at the touch of a button and close once you apply the brake, similar to a Rolls-Royce. However, the most disruptive feature is the charging capability. Utilizing an 800-volt system, this car replenishes from 10% to 80% in just 11 minutes. While we often wait 40 minutes at unreliable stations in the States, this represents a significant leap forward in engineering and convenience. Inside, the cabin uses premium materials with no cheap plastics in sight. You receive a 15-inch swivel screen and a glass roof with star lighting. This is real engineering that makes a Tesla look plain. Moving to number 4, we have the Avatr 12, a vehicle that looks like it was driven straight off a movie set from the future. The most striking thing you will notice immediately is that this car has no back window. It is not just small or tinted. There is simply solid metal where the glass should be. China has completely deleted the rear window and replaced it with high-definition cameras that feed a live video stream to a digital screen inside. It feels less like driving a traditional sedan and more like piloting a high-tech escape pod. The front design is incredibly smooth, featuring ultra-thin, light-emitting diode strips that give it a predatory, modern look. One of the most charming yet advanced features is the halo display located just under the windshield. This is actually a functional exterior screen that can show messages or even emojis to pedestrians, allowing your car to literally smile at people as they cross the street. In the Chinese market, this level of integration is becoming the new normal. To further improve aerodynamics and reduce wind noise, the traditional side mirrors have been removed and replaced with tiny, sleek cameras. This design choice makes you feel like a time traveler every time you get behind the wheel. Under the hood, or rather under the chassis, the Avatr 12 utilizes sophisticated Huawei technology. It features dual motors that produce 578 horsepower, allowing it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. With a range of 430 miles, it surpasses many of its American rivals. Inside, the luxury continues with a massive 35.4-inch screen that stretches across the entire dashboard. The cabin features zero-gravity seats that recline into a perfect sleeping position, offering comfort that honestly exceeds most high-end furniture. The electrochromic glass roof can turn dark instantly with the press of a button, protecting you from the sun while maintaining a sense of openness. This is artificial intelligence on wheels, using lasers to scan the road and avoid obstacles from over 600 yards away in total darkness. In China, this costs $42,000, the same price as a basic Model 3 here. At number 3, we have a vehicle that can only be described as a land missile, the BYD Yang Wang U7. This machine is a masterclass in raw power and aerodynamic efficiency, boasting a staggering 1,300 horsepower. It can catapult from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, making it one of the quickest accelerating four-door cars on the planet. Beyond just speed, it features the lowest drag coefficient of any production sedan currently available, meaning it cuts through the air cleaner than a high-velocity bullet. Looking at the front, the design is undeniably aggressive, dominated by massive, C-shaped, light-emitting diode headlights that give it a terrifying presence on the road. At over 17 feet long, it is even larger than a Tesla Model S, yet it handles with a precision that defies its size. The true magic lies beneath the surface within the E4 platform, which utilizes 4 independent motors, one for each individual wheel. This revolutionary setup allows this massive luxury sedan to perform a tank turn, spinning 360 degrees in place on its own axis. This is not just a party trick, it is a significant safety feature. If a tire blows out while you are traveling at 75 miles per hour, the onboard computer adjusts the torque of the other 3 wheels 1,000 times per second to keep the vehicle perfectly straight and stable. Inside, the cabin resembles a fusion of a high-tech fighter jet and a Bentley. You are surrounded by rich red leather, genuine carbon fiber, and a literal wall of digital screens. The rear passengers are treated like royalty in a 4-seat lounge configuration, complete with individual tablets to control their massage seats, climate, and entertainment. We have to ask ourselves, as American companies are still debating the viability of electric vehicles, has China already claimed the throne of high-end engineering? How do you feel about a car that can spin in place like a tank? Would you feel safer knowing your car's computer can manage a blowout at highway speeds? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Moving to number 2, we encounter the Nio ET9, a vehicle that introduces a level of physical intelligence we have never seen in a production car. This car literally shakes snow off itself like a wet dog. It is equipped with the Skyride system, featuring dedicated hydraulic pumps on each individual wheel that can make adjustments in a single millisecond. To demonstrate this precision, engineers stacked a 4-story tower of champagne glasses on the hood and drove over consecutive speed bumps. Not a single drop was spilled. This is genuine magic carpet technology that arguably surpasses the legendary ride quality of a Rolls-Royce. Stretching over 17 feet long, the ET9 possesses a commanding presence, characterized by its signature double-dash lighting and a roofline that integrates 3 distinct housing units for advanced lasers and cameras. Even the wheel center caps are self-leveling, ensuring the logo remains perfectly upright while you are in motion. Technologically, the ET9 operates on a 900-volt system, whereas most high-end American electric vehicles are still utilizing 400 or 800-volt architectures. This allows for a charging rate of 600 kilowatts, meaning you can add 155 miles of range in only 5 minutes. It delivers 700 horsepower and features a steer-by-wire system, which means there is no physical mechanical connection between the steering wheel and the tires. It is entirely digital. Combined with rear-wheel steering, this 17-foot luxury yacht can actually turn in a tighter circle than a compact Mini Cooper. The interior is designed as an executive bridge, strictly configured as a 4-seater. The rear cabin offers 45-degree reclining seats, a 10-liter refrigerator, and a 360-degree tray table for working on the go. Each wheel can move independently with such extreme accuracy that it can vibrate the entire chassis to clear debris without ever disturbing the passengers inside. At a price point of roughly $112,000, it offers more innovation than a Mercedes Maybach that costs twice as much. Finally, we reach number 1, the Maxro S800. This vehicle is not merely trying to compete with a Tesla, it is designed to challenge the very pinnacle of automotive luxury, the Rolls-Royce Phantom. A collaborative masterpiece between the tech giant Huawei and Jack, this car is built to redefine what high-end transportation feels like in the 21st century. At 5.48 meters long, nearly 18 feet, it makes even a long-wheelbase Mercedes S-Class look small by comparison. The design language screams authority, featuring a vertical waterfall grille and headlights containing thousands of tiny light-emitting diodes that shimmer like a trapped galaxy. When you unlock the car, It performs a choreographed light show reminiscent of a shooting star across the night sky. The two-tone purple and silver paintwork evokes a classic sense of wealth, while the solid chrome wheels provide a grounded, powerful stance. The Maxro S800 is expected to launch with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing you to legally take your hands off the wheel and focus on other tasks while the car navigates through traffic. It is powered by a silent dual-motor setup that provides the effortless glide of a V12 engine without a single vibration. Inside, the experience is unparalleled, featuring rumored real silk carpets and an animated starry sky roof. Because it is powered by Huawei's Harmony operating system 4, your digital life and your vehicle are perfectly synchronized. Video calls can transfer automatically from your phone to the car's massive rear screens the moment you step inside. The rear legroom is so vast that it creates a private sanctuary where deals are signed rather than just tickets. With a price range between $140,000 and $200,000, it offers the same prestige as a $500,000 Phantom for a fraction of the cost. The technological gap we once relied on has closed, and it seems China has taken the lead. After seeing these 5 incredible machines, which one surprised you the most? If you had $100,000 right now, would you choose one of these over a BMW or a Tesla? Share your thoughts in the comments below.